Na-enjoy na sir yung natin biyahe.
Hilig din kumanta.
Ayun, isa yung maganda ron eh. Si sir may hilig sa kanta ako, wala akong hilig sa kanta eh.
So I'm waiting so I'm waiting for the night. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna waste your night. And I don't want the world to see me. Cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything seems to be okay, I just want to know why. Ngayon lang po ako kumanta nang habang bumabiyahe ng ganito. And you can't fight the ain't coming. For the moment to realize when everything is at the movie, where you be just know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see, cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. Let's go.
Baka meron kang TikTok channel dyan sir, pwede mo i-plug. Meron ka bang Facebook page?
Nakakaot lang ha. Pinigil ko na mag-upload.
Ayun lang. Baka magkaroon ng ano, mabuhay uli yung TikTok page mo, di ba? Siyempre, ma-discover ka.
Mayayain nga ako.
Ayun yun eh.
Mayayain ba ako talaga yun? See me, cause I don't think they understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want to know who I am. Oh, to know who I am. Parang doon yung video kaya nung kaya gusto mo biyahe.
Yes.